So what we got going on there? We're experimenting with a little solar cooking. There's a hot dog in that solar cooker. Made that out of a Pringles can. They say 20-25 minutes on these. I don't know. I don't have a thermometer, but I can tell when a hot dog's done. I got one of those laser thermometers I'm gonna put on it. But our meat thermometer is MIA. So we'll see how this turns out. Got it set in the sun. 20-25 minutes. We'll see. I kind of doubt it. I'm thinking longer. I'm going to let it sit there and stew for a while. Might have a hot dog for lunch. You never know. We'll see. It may work. It may not. Been meaning to do this for a long time too. So hopefully it works. We'll see. Oh yeah. I got to tell you. But that is a Pringles can. Some make them with the flap. Some don't. Paint it black. Got a wooden skewer in there and poked on the other side. See it sticking out there? Right there. And then shipping tape. They use shipping tape across the opening to hold the heat in. So, like I said, I don't see why it won't work. Maybe. Hey, I noticed we are getting a little condensation there, though. Something's working. Hot dog might be getting a little darker. Can't really tell. But it appears to be working just fine. I almost can't wait to dig in. Well, I think it's only been about 5 minutes anyway. So we'll see. Right, it's been about 15 minutes. Can't even see the hot dog anymore. I'm going to take my temperature thing and see what it says. 126 degrees in there, 23, 20, 24, 135. Got it in there. We be cooking. Working pretty good, I think. Can't see the hot dog. Might have lunch after all. But again, painted Pringle can. Sliced open. Doors bent back on it. Shipping tape. Wooden skewer. Got to poke some holes in it. But so far I'm impressed. I think it's going to work. It is a beautiful day though. 90 degrees right now. I don't have the generator running yet for the AC up on the roof. Here in about 45 minutes, it gets up around 92. I'll turn it on for the dogs. But in the meantime, we're still cooking. It's been about 20 minutes. Still looking good in there. Cannot see that hot dog. Just a little tiny bit of it. They say 20 to 25 minutes, but I like my hot dogs really cooked. So I'm going to let it sit in there for a little bit. Jasper hears me. I'm one of them ones that like a burnt hot dog. Though I don't think it's going to burn in there. But I mean, I'm going to cook it a little longer. Nothing going on in the neighborhood today. A little windy. As usual, it's the desert. There's the Indian head. Out there. Laying on his back sunbathing. And of course, Homer Simpson, Palm Canyon. He's out there behind that bush. But yeah. A little breezy today. Not quite time for lunch yet. The hot dog's still cooking. Jasper says, hurry up. I want my hot dog. Don't, Jasper, you ain't getting this hot dog. It's my hot dog. You can get your own hot dog. Hot dog. Kind of can't wait. I want to see what it turns out. How it turns out. Not what it turns out. How it turns out. I think it's going to be good. Hot dog and potato chips for lunch. Sounds good to me. Still cooking. Though it's been roughly an hour. A little less than an hour. About 55 minutes. All the videos I watch say 20, 25 minutes. Like I said, I like my hot dog to be well cooked. So let's see what it looks like. Because I'm going to go over there, take it down. Got my scissors. Cut the tape. Take it inside and see what it looks like. I got my bread and slice of cheese because I like cheese on my dogs, you know. Got that ready to go and see if this thing's edible. What do you think? Will it be? Let's find out. Alrighty, I'm gonna go take her down. There it is, cooked up, sitting on my slice of cheese and my cheap hot dog bun. Hey, I like bread. Bread's bread. Sometimes I'll buy hot dog buns, sometimes I won't. But I slid it open, checked the inside temperature. It's done. It ain't gonna brown, but it's well cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting my plate ready. Okay, here's where we get healthy. First, we'll start with the real sugar ketchup. It doesn't have that high fructose corn syrup in it. Nasty, yuck. But yeah, made with real sugar. Now for over here on this side of the plate, low sodium potato chips. There. There's my healthy lunch for today. One slice of cheese, one piece of bread, real sugar ketchup, and low sodium potato chips. Oh, and I'll probably have a water or two to drink with it. But yeah, it's a pretty good, fun little experiment. I'm gonna look into a little more solar cooking later on too, as we are out here longer. So it was fun. I'd say it was a success. Oh yeah, I do have relish and stuff to put on the hot dogs, but I just felt like just a ketchup cheese dog today. So that's why there's nothing else on that hot dog, in case you're wondering. Have a good one. Thanks for watching again. Later.